Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I have the absolute pleasure of showing you around this lovely Porsche Cayenne. Now this is a Platinum Edition vehicle, so it comes very well specified from the factory. Now on top of that, we've got £7,000 worth of factory extras, so when you look at this vehicle, it's got miles better value than other cars on the market. Now, we know the vehicle very well as we supplied it to the previous owner, a very good customer of ours who's bought plenty of cars off us over the years. He's basically just sold this to us as he's gone out and bought the newer version of it. Now we're finished in this lovely white metallic, looks absolutely ace, true testament to the previous owner. Condition wise, this is a stunning car. So front bumper, bonnet, headlamps, it's not riddled with stone chips. It's not been raced and rallied. We've got lower fog lamps there, front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera, turbo style alloy wheels, and all four alloys are in absolutely superb order, all shod in new Yokohama tyres. The drive is absolutely fantastic. Looking down the side of the vehicle, no signs of any dents, dings, no scratches. We've got the side steps on this one, we've got the gloss black window surrounds, we've got the privacy glass, we've got the factory option of the panoramic glass roof. Coming through to the back, the Platinums get the lovely massive dual exhaust, rear parking sensors, all your Porsche Cayenne decals, they're all in the bright silver. Electric tailgate, so press the button, elegantly glides up. Parcel shelf is present. Split folding rear seats, a bit of added storage down there, tyre inflation kit, locking wheel nut, that's all found in there. And then again, looking at condition, looking at bumper corners, looking down the side of the vehicle, looking at the alloys, the door edges, the grab handles, it's all as it should be. Now jumping inside, we'll start the car up. So the vehicle is supplied with both keys. We've got a lovely soft part perforated leather interior. A lot of these you'll find are half leather, so this one's a nice one. We've got the fully electric seats with driver and passenger two-way memory. We've got the Bose surround sound system, park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, Platinum edition on the sills. Going through to the back, rear seats are in absolutely superb order. Obviously we've got the Porsche embossed into the headrests, central armrest with cup holders. You've got isofix points in the bottom there. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched. You've got rear vents, so you get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. Get the full benefit of that lovely panoramic glass roof. And then when you look into the cabin, the fit and finish is fantastic. So lots of bright silver detailing. You've got gloss black detailing running all throughout the dashboard, onto the door cards. The interior is a lovely place to be. Now, we'll start the car up. So we'll jump in. So, as soon as you jump in, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. On there you've got your volume, media controls, Bluetooth phone. Then on the side we've got our wipers, voice command, and then you've got your cruise on there as well. As we're doing the video today, vehicle has only covered 62,423 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. On the right hand side, you've got this little screen which shows you absolutely everything. So you've got your satellite navigation, which you can follow through there, radio, all your temps, tyre pressures, it's all found through that system there. Automatic lights, and then coming through to the centre, we've got our tuner, which is basically your full DAB radio, so all of the extended channels. Clicking through to source, you've got your DAB, FM, jukebox, Bluetooth, music streaming. We've got our satellite navigation on there as well, car information, and then all the display info through there as well. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. We've got heated front seats. We've got our factory option of the adjustable sport suspension. So you've got Comfort Sport, Sport Plus. You can feel a massive difference in drive as well. Sport mode, traction control, central cup holders, central armrest with a bit of storage, aux, USB, and a 12-volt power outlet as well. We've got the power blind, we've got all the buttons for the panoramic roof. So, if you'd like any more information on this vehicle, give us a call, send us an email. We've got some good finance quotes on these vehicles. If you've got a Part X, we can happily give you a price over the phone. But thank you very much for watching. Our phone number is 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.